On today, we'll be looking at a new custom board partner AMD Radeon RX 6600 XT card. This is the new Sapphire Pulse AMD Radeon RX 6600 XT. Good morning and welcome to Tech Interceptor. First of all, remember to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to stay up to date on upcoming videos. According to Sapphire, the new card has a 2048 core, 2359 MHz of game clock, 8GB of GDDR6 memory operating at 16,000 MHz. 128 bit of memory bus and 256 GB per second of memory bandwidth. The new Sapphire graphic card is characterized by dual fan clean square black industrial design with red detail. It is an ATX form factor graphic card that measures 240mm of length, 119.85mm of width, 44.75mm of height, so for the installation the card requires 2.2 slots. As card cooling system, we find the powerful Dual X cooling technology coupled with intelligent fan control to keep temperatures low and fan noise low. The PCB design delivers stable, reliable and steady performance which lowers PCB temperatures and component signal noise. On the backside, the black metal backplate provides rigidity and with an accurate airflow design helps cool by increasing heat dissipation. New Sapphire Radeon RX 6600 XT card uses a single 8-pin connector, and with this power configuration the recommended PSU is a 500 volts. Used as an air vent, the I/O panel has a 4 display connector, 1 HDMI and a 3 display port. New Sapphire Pulse AMD Radeon RX 6600 XT will be available starting August 11, 2021. As soon as it is available on the market, below in the description we will find the link to buy it. What do you think? Let me know, as always, in the comments below, and if you find this video helpful, then leave a like, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, see you again next time.